Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best hair dryers for men and women. After doing research, I found these hair dryers that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Revlon's Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer RV544 PKF. This modern advanced hair dryer packs a decent 1,870 watt power with ceramic triple-baked elements that make for uniform heat distribution. The gadget comes with two heat controls that enhance flexibility and functionality, in addition to a cool air mode. Ideal for those who possess long, thick hair, this model's other attractive specs include concentrator and diffuser attachments that will allow you great control over your hair styling. Revlon's Turbo Dryer RV408. Offered at a reasonable price, this sleek model from Revlon delivers high-performance quality and offers an array of distinctive features that include low, medium, high heat, and speed settings, a detachable end cap for quick filter cleaning, airflow concentrator attachments, easy store hanging ring on its cord, as well as versatility in its function. Conair's Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer 1,875 watts. Featuring Tourmaline ceramic premium technology, which assists in avoiding unnecessary heat damage to your precious hair, this model presents numerous advantageous features that offer good value for your money. The Ionic technology produces 75% less frizz in comparison to those brands lacking in this advanced technology. The chief features of this model include high-low speed settings, 3 heat settings, cool shot setting, anti-slip grip for convenient and comfy use, as well as additional concentrator diffuser attachments that offer flexibility and versatility in hairstyling options. Babyliss Pro Tt Dryer. Presented in an attractive red coloring, this outstanding model is embedded with Tourmaline titanium 1000 watt heating coils as the heating element. Working efficiently on thick, curly hair, this model possesses a dual voltage option that also makes it well suited to straight and short hairstyles, thus making for an extremely flexible hairdryer device that will work well with all types of hair. This model is further equipped with a foldable handle that adds to its portability and can be conveniently carried along with you on your travels. Remington's Silk Ceramic AC9096 Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. With a 1,875 watt motor and a sleek, modern design, this salon-type model from Remington is integrated with Silk Ionic heat-generating element that has effective coverage, along with a cool shot made to be utilized in the end to secure your hair in place. The model delivers superior versatility in its hairstyles and types, with 3 built-in heat settings, 2 speed settings, as well as diffuser and concentrator attachments.